What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix the Dropbox is not syncing error. Now, suppose you're having some of the Dropbox syncing issues. So how can you fix it? For that, you just have to go through all of these steps, and the problem should be gone. First things first, ensure your internet connection is stable. Second thing is visit the Dropbox status page for outage. Just make sure that Dropbox is working. Try going to their website on any other device, and you'll be able to find if the Dropbox is actually working. Ensure Dropbox is running. Verify the app is open and running. Resume syncing. Make sure the syncing is not paused or like wasn't cut off due to the internet outage. Just make sure that thing does not happen. Check file names. Avoid special character in the file names and try to check the file names. Check file size slash count. You just have to make sure that your files aren't too large or too many because this could take time and you might be seeing some of the syncing issues because you may not have a good internet connection. Resolve conflicted files. So if you have like multiple files having same name, just make sure that you are not like doing copy thing just because this could cause the issue as well. So I would suggest you just do this thing manually. Free up some space. Make sure you have some extra hard drive space available. Update Dropbox. Make sure you're using latest version of Dropbox. Try restarting the Dropbox. Check your firewall or antivirus because your antivirus might be stopping you for that. You can actually turn off your antivirus for some time. Relink account, make sure that your account is good and working fine. Just relink just in case. Reinstall Dropbox, uninstall and install the Dropbox apps. If that error still doesn't go, just contact to their customer support if needed. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to fix it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.